because we were just driving to Dollar Tree. My mom almost drove off the road. It was amazing.
I did drive off the road.
No matter what his publicity was, he was still down to earth in what he gave and was still a family man.
He really made people feel welcome, and there wasn't this separation. So I think people felt like he knows me.
I can't pinpoint the first time I ever heard him, but you know, it's not a normal sense where you just put on the radio. It's like as soon as one of his songs comes on, you know who it is. You don't mistake it with anybody else, and it was just, I mean, it's one of a kind.
Shooting was remarkable with all of the fake snow, and the way production handled everything was just beautiful. But to be here actually at winter and to see how closely related, it just adds a sense of magic that can't be described.
Casted the two leads, Wes Brown and Kellie Pickler were already cast, so I was excited about that. And then to get to come and shoot at Elvis's house, and I was very excited. And now to see it, the reality, here we are, it's happening.